My name is Nicole. I'm very, very excited to be here with you to teach you some tips that I like to share with our practitioners. Thank you so much, Stella, for being here on the Cadillac. Left hand goes up, it goes behind your head, and then side bend to the right. Hold it there. Even though you're leaning towards the right, you still have to keep your left rib cage forward, your left torso forward, your left side of your breastbone forward. All the way, put weight forward towards your toes so your bottom is still standing over that front of that leg, and then lift yourself back up. And again, open up your hip and hold it there. Still drive your ribs all the way up as you open that hip, and then close the hip, close the hip, close the hip. It's a huge stretch for your hamstring, huge stretch. Good, 2 hands hit the frame in the center, 2 hands to the pad, 2 hands to the strap, 2 hands to the floor. Hold. Good, keep that foot glued towards the frame of the unit.